Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have lost frequencies all stand together. This is not a typical guitar song. That's why it's fun sometimes to bring up a song like this here in Gordon Guitar. Everything is possible on guitar, so why not this song here? Nice song. Let's take a look at this one. We have 4 chords in this one, so let's dive into this. No need for any capo. We'll start with A. So that is open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. We have the F sharp minor. It's a bar chord. You place the bar on the 2nd fret, so you bar all strings here, and then you need to add 4th on A and 4th on D. We have the C sharp minor. So that's a bar chord on the 4th position now. You bar all strings except from the last E here. So with that, you're gonna add also 6 on D, 6 on G, and 5th on B. And the final chord is the B. We're gonna go with the sus version here. That's a bar chord, bar placed on the 2nd fret now in the same way as the C sharp minor chord. All strings except from the last E are barred here. And then you need to add 4th on D and 4th on G. We have this main part here built upon A, F sharp, and C sharp. And depending on the verse or the chords is played, we have a little different way of handling this one. The challenge here will be the verse play. Okay, so we're gonna look at that first. And we're gonna have to learn the strumming pattern, and we have 2 different parts of it. So grab the A, that's the first chord, and 1 full round of strumming goes down, down, clap, down. The first part is the first 2 downs, so, and then part 2 is clap down. So together, and a couple of rounds to get the feeling for the rhythm is, and so on. So we're gonna look at the verse first. That's the challenge here, like I said, and we're gonna play A, 3 full rounds, then plus part 1 and plus 1 extra down. Many pluses here. I'm gonna explain how. So first 3 full strumming rounds of A, down, down, clap, down. So that's 3. Then part 1, the down, down, and then you have an extra down, down. Okay, so the A will be in total of 3 strumming rounds, plus you can say 3 downs, because part 1 is 2 downs and the extra down is another 3rd down there. So total 3 full rounds and 3 downs, like this. And then you're gonna play the F sharp minor. You're gonna play 1 full round plus part 1 plus an extra down. So that is, and then you go to the C sharp and play 2 full rounds. And that's 1 chord progression round. So slowly, I'm gonna take you through 1 chord progression round. It goes like this. Right, so that's the verse play. The chorus is much easier. It's just straight strumming rounds here. A, 2 rounds, F sharp minor 2, and C sharp minor 4. So like this: A, F sharp, and C sharp. A2, F2, and C4. C4 sounds explosive. Anyway, that's the chorus play. And about 2 minutes and 9 or 10 seconds or so into this song, we have the bridge parts. We will play just 1 down per chord there. And that will be A, then F sharp, then C sharp, and then the B. So this is where the B comes in. We're gonna play that chord progression for 2 rounds. So A, F sharp, C sharp, and B. And then back to the main strumming there, and that is Lost Frequencies All Stand Together. Nice to switch it up a little bit with not that guitarish song. So thank you for watching here, and till next time, play tuned.